Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a cheat day in MyFitnessPal. So adding a cheat day in MyFitnessPal isn't a built-in feature, but you can easily track one using a few smart methods depending on how you want to approach it. So the first option, you need to use custom daily goals, and that's for the premium only. So let's get into our app, and yeah, we'll be forwarded into the dashboard. Okay, sorry. All right. So as you can see, we are on the dashboard, but I want to go over into the 3 points that says more right there. So I just want you to go into goals right here and tap on it. And right here, what I want to do is to go into calories, carbs, and protein and fat goals. So what I want to do is to go into add daily goal. So right here, you need to choose the day of your cheats day, like Saturday, for example, and you need to set higher calories or macro limits for that day. And once we are finished, you just need to tap save. And this will allows you to plan for higher intake without throwing off your overall plan. So for the option 2, you need to do it manually. So manually, you need to go over your goals, and this is available for both for free users and for the premiums too. So you just need to go into diary right here. Okay, and once you are on the diary, you just need to go to add food, and the breakfast, lunch, even in the dinner, snacks, and yeah, and water. And right here, you need to tap the notes you need to go to the notes section at the bottom, if available, and write cheat day, or rename a meal like that's one. For example, snacks, yeah, for example, lunch, you need to rename it to cheat day, or yeah, or dinner cheat day, also snacks cheat day, etc. And that's it. This is the only solution to do that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching it. Goodbye.